If you want to know what is the best SEO tool on the field, this video is definitely for you, because in this video we're going to be talking about the best SEO tools, top 5 on the niche, and in the end of the story you'll be able to decide which one is better suitable for your own business purposes. So let's jump straight to business. Longtail Pro. Longtail Pro is one of the best tools for freelancers, bloggers, and small business owners looking to invest in content marketing. The software allows you to quickly discover new keyword opportunities and easily access the competition using the KC score, saving you hours of research time. Longtail Pro is a keyword research tool designed to help website owners find low competition keywords to support their SEO strategy. Using Longtail Pro, you can enter seed keywords up to 5 at once and get back hundreds of different suggestions and keyword variations. The software also allows you to analyze a list of keywords manually if you have done prior research, and even access the competitors' domains to uncover new keywords in your niche. Longtail Pro collates data from Google AdWords and Majestic to provide useful metrics such as search volume, advertisers bid, rank value, and one of my favorites, keyword competitiveness score. So the pros are, it provides you with the keyword suggestions in bulk. The keyword competitiveness score is absolutely excellent. Using the competitor analysis section, you can see and analyze how likely you are to rank ahead of your competitors in terms of ranking in Google. The rank tracker feature of the tool is very easy to use, and the rank tracker is more or less 100% accurate. Cons are, it isn't comprehensive enough for being an SEO tool. It puts on cap on searching the keywords using seed keywords. Longtail Pro is completed with incredible features, but the tool on the whole is full of bugs. The capping on the manual keyword is low. ASO Pressor. ASO Pressor is a powerful WordPress plugin that helps you with the on-page optimization of your blog posts. It will also give you insights into your website's SEO health to get better rankings on Google. ASO Pressor is a WordPress plugin that helps you with on-page SEO analysis, crowd control, link management, and many more. ASO Pressor Connect plugins currently powers more than 23 million WordPress pages. ASO Pressor Connect allows you to target at least 3 keywords per post and analyze their usage to calculate an SEO percentage score. Your post's SEO score is displayed in large, friendly letters with a percentage amount. Site Audit is one of the ASO Pressor Connect's newest features. You can use it to review your website's performance. The Site Audit feature lets you see how well your site is performing or isn't performing. The relevant information is available on a single page. You can find out the site's average score and health, along with errors and warnings. If you're looking for reliable and affordable WordPress SEO plugin, then you shouldn't definitely go with ASO Pressor without having any second thought. ASO Pressor is one-stop solution for all of the SEO needs, and the pricing is quite affordable so that anyone can easily get started. So the pros are multi-keyword analysis, inside and audit toolkit, semantic builder, meta crawler management, and social media integrations. Cons are, there is no free version, no buy it once option, updates are not frequent, no account area or anything except upgrade page, and sometimes you don't receive notifications from your admin dashboard that update is available. ASO Profiler. ASO Profiler is a web-based SEO software solution that tracks rankings, perform website audits, monitor competitor backlinks, generate bandit reports, and many other things related to search engine optimization. It's definitely a tool that can assist you in understanding your ranking and what changes you should make in order to get better exposure in the top search engines. You can use this tool for a variety of purposes, such as keyword research, link building, social media monitoring, and even project management, since you can check your projects using the same platform. You can use SEO Profiler to check on what your competitors are doing and even look at their phrases in depth and see which ones are getting more action. You can consult several other metrics too, but the neatest thing is that you can also check on your competitors' PPC campaigns. SEO Profiler will effectively tell you what bids your competitors are placing and see which ads they have created and getting clicked on the most. So the pros are a comprehensive set of marketing tools, the ability to quickly optimize and re-optimize pages, custom online reports, solid website auditing with deep analysis, sufficient keyword recommendations for your focus query, keyword difficulty research tool. And the cons are the price has grown significantly, lack usability, lower backlinks database than the competitors, and few integration options. Ahrefs. Ahrefs is one of the most recommended SEO tools online. It's only second to Google when it comes to being the largest website crawlers. SEO experts can get enough of Ahrefs' site audit feature as it's the best SEO analysis tool around. The tool highlights what parts of your website need improvements to rank better in search engines. From a competitor analysis perspective, you likely use Ahrefs to determine your competitors' backlinks to use them as a starting point for your own brand. And you can also use this SEO tool to find the most linked to content with your niche, check and fix broken links on your website, and get an overview of your best performing pages. So in the end, you can see what information is drawing in the visitors. Ahrefs maintains one of the largest indexes of backlinks on the web, currently with more than 12 trillion historical backlinks and 6 billion web pages crawled per day. It also includes a number of other features and capabilities across ad hoc keyword research, ongoing SEO monitoring and position tracking, content-specific researches, and competitive domain comparison. Overall, Ahrefs can do a little bit of everything. So the pros are exceptional site-specific and internet-wide crawling capability, solid ad hoc keyword research, comprehensive domain monitoring and comparison, improved keyword suggestions, and cons are limited SEO reporting, there's no free trial, no phone support, and this tool is a little bit pricey. Samresh. Samresh offers a fully comprehensive set of SEO tools. You can view detailed keyword analysis reports as well as summary of any domains you manage. More crucially, the SEO toolkit allows you to compare the performance of your pages to see how you rank against the competition. For instance, you can analyze backlinks from other websites to yours. Traffic analytics helps to identify your competitors' principal sources of web traffic, such as the top referring sites. This enables you to drill down the fine details of how both you and your competitor's site measure up in terms of average session duration and bounce rates. Additionally, traffic sources comparison gives you an overview of digital marketing channels for a bunch of rival advanced. For those new to SEO slang, bounce rates are the percentage of visitors who visit a website then leave without accessing any other pages on the same site. The domain overview does much more than provide a summation of your competitors' SEO strategies. You can also detect specific keywords they've targeted as well as access the relative performance of your domains on both desktop and mobile device. So the pros are flexible pricing with custom enterprise plan, monitor keywords, competitors, backlinks, and more, social media and content marketing tools, and the cons are mobile app contains limited functionality and the cheapest subscription costs $100 per month. SERPstat. SERPstat keyword research tool offers a great platform from which to cover a range of different keyword search and research options. One feature includes the ability to do competitor research using URL analysis in order to identify keyword potentially missing from your campaigns. Additionally, you can use search questions in order to research specific keyword niches in order to identify further keywords and other ideas for driving targeted traffic to your website. Like other tools, there's also the option to search for related keywords, but on top of this, there are a number of filters you can use to narrow your selection into the most useful keywords to target. Overall, SERPstat offers a lot of interesting flexibility when it comes to keyword research, and the ability to use different tools and methodologies can only be empowering for website owners and SEOs alike. So the pros are flawless user interface, keyword ranking includes day-by-day positioning table, keyword analysis lets you see visitors, what visitors are searching for, and very affordably priced. Cons are it doesn't draw in data from social media, and site audit tool isn't particularly unique. Now you have all the comprehensive information about each player in the top 5 SEO tools niche, and you can decide which one to choose. Thanks, take care, make sure to check out all the useful links in the description panel of this video. See ya.